Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for more new videos on Wednesdays and Sundays. Back to school is right around the corner. It's practically here for some people too. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some great makeup tips and my makeup routine and what I'm going to be wearing in the fall on campus. As always, we're going to start with primer, and my primer for today is going to be the Refy Niacinamide primer. It's clear, it rolls on the skin. I have quite a few early classes this semester, so I'm going to be keeping things very simple, very quick, very efficient. We're going to go in with my Dior Foundation. This foundation has never done me wrong, and I don't think it ever will, so that's what we're going in with today. I'm shade 6N. Oops, put way too much on my forehead. Next, we're gonna do concealer, which is gonna be Miss Elf. Let that sit for a little bit. Now that it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and blend it in. For contour, I've been loving the e.l.f. contour wand lately, so we're gonna go in with that. My one vice with this product is there's so little in it. Like, I've used this a handful of times and it's almost done already. We're gonna set her with the Charlotte Tilbury spray, of course. I recently got this e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and I really like it, so we're gonna use this today for the setting, to set the makeup. It really has that mattifying effect, and I really like that. It's basically the foundation, but as a powder. For blush, we're gonna go in with the CoverGirl 345 Hot Frenzy shade. For lips, we're gonna do the Nooni Lip Oil. This stuff is so good, it's literally almost done. That's how much I use it. This is in the shade Appleberry. I'm not gonna do mascara today because my eyes are irritated, but if I was, it would be the Giorgio Armani mascara and my bottom lashes. This is it for the look. This is my back to school daily makeup look, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want more back to school content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.